some oral eye drops.
Oral eye drops?
Peppermint eye drops, wouldn't that sting your eyes?
It says oral drops.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Food Review Club. Yes, I'm in my car. Just been shopping at Morrison's for Holy Burgers service today. And we've been to the post office. We've got a couple of things in our P.O. box. Yes, we have a P.O. box. Jess, we put the link to it below?
No.
No? Okay, cool. Fuck you lot basically then.
No, I just don't want people...
Okay.
Ask for it.
Okay, cool. Well, I was going to do a little flash. Anyone look? That's our P.O. box. If you have products you want to send and maybe don't want a full video, send it in. We'll do an in a car opening ceremony like this. But anyway, before I get onto it, I hope you're all good. It is Mental Health Awareness Day today. Is that right, Jess?
Yes.
So shout out to everyone out there. If you've got problems, speak to someone. Don't bottle it up. That's my 2 penneth for that. Shout out to Mental Health Awareness Day. This one is for you. Now, look at this. First things first. I don't know. I just so you know, guys, I ain't got a chuffing clue what these are. Jess does all the Instagram messages. So this is going to be a real off-the-cuff sort of thing. We have, looks like the postman's played football with this. But other than that, it's like a nice little box. What could be inside this? Was there any paperwork of that? I just ripped it up.
I think I know who it's from.
Okay, cool. It's like Christmas. Here we go. Oh, little magnetic.
Nice box.
Nice box. Here we go. Oh, okay. They look nice. Liberty Organics mixed fruit CBD jellies. It's 10 milligrams of CBD per jelly, it says on here. Just put it out of the box because I don't know what it is. So what did they said? Can we send you some yesterday?
Yeah, I just said send.
There you go, nice looking product. Here we go. Look, just let me put them on there on the dash so you can get a little promo for them. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Look at that. Look. And we've also got in here some oral eye drops.
Oral eye drops?
Peppermint eye drops. Wouldn't that sting your eyes?
It says oral drops.
I am well dyslexic, by the way.
You even said oral.
Yeah. Where have I got eye drops from? Oral drops, CBD peppermint. I thought the peppermint would sting your eyes. All right, cool. So I suppose I should try one of these, should I?
Yeah.
I love, like, anyone that works with me in the office and that, I love jelly sweets. So I know those will be nice. Hopefully they've got a... Look at that. Come on. Yeah. Let's get a close up.
What do they look like?
They're big. Big. Look at the size of it. Nice to have something big in my hand. Right, let's take a couple. How many are you supposed to have?
One.
Soft. Really nice.
Right, that's enough.
Another yellow one as well. See if the flavours are different. Really good. I took 3. You supposed to have 3? So, look.
Oh, it says don't exceed 10
Don't exceed 10. Good.
per day.
Okay, cool. Look, CBD. We all know the benefits. Bit of a wonder product. There you go. Liberty Organics. Clean branding. Nice box. Tastes great. Big jellies. Bravo. Thanks for sending that in. What's what you laughing at? What's the matter?
Open this one.
All right, cool. Now we've got this one. Do not bend. Here we go. We've got a sticker that says the Little Cake Company. Something sweet for everyone. What time is it? We are running late. Here we go. So look, guys, if you've got a business, you want to feature on a page, reach out. We've got a P.O. box, as we've already spoken about. It gives you a chance to get featured in a video like this. Here we go.
It smells so good.
Barley Malteser, salted caramel, Bakewell, Oreo. I think I know what this could be. Presentation, look at that. Nice bit of paper. Like a paper hood. Have these been on the page before?
No, I don't think
Oh, okay, cool, look at that, look.
Oh, it's like a tray.
Wow, there you go. Thank you for your order. This was not ordered. This was gifted. They sent it to us for free. Free food does taste a lot better, I must admit. And that is how it comes. So I've got strips.
Can you open it?
So that one's Oreo, that one's Bakewell, that one's salted caramel, and this one over here is barley Malteser. Let me open this up so I can get my laughing gear around this. Kind of a cool concept. Like that, to be fair. Instead of getting a whole one to yourself, you can have 4 different flavours. That one looks amazing. What was that one? My salted caramel. Here we go. Breakfast of champions. Oh my god, look at that. It's like literally gooey caramel in there. Oh my god, look at that.
Good.
Hang on. They actually used Galaxy Caramel. No wonder it's good. They're using the creme de la creme chocolate bar, premium caramel chocolate bar, in a brownie. You guys, massive shout out. We'll tag you in this. I don't know how much this is, but it's just good. Absolutely delicious. And that was a little unboxing video for you peeps at home. Go give them some support. Yeah? They wanted the airtime, they wanted the platform, they've got it. And that, ladies and gents, was an in-car P.O. Box review.